Hello and a very warm welcome, Anjana, Juhi, and Davinder ji. Thank you for joining in. Today we are on chapter number 14, which talks about put the pressure on yourself from this amazing book, Eat That Frog. It is a beautiful book in the sense it has been talking about different ways how you can, stop procrastinating. Hello, Renu. Thank you for joining in after a
Hello,
long time.
hi.
Hi. I will start sharing the screen so that we all can read it together and reflect on it. Put the pressure on yourself. The first requisite for success is to apply your physical and mental energies to one problem instantly without growing weary. The world is full of people who are waiting for someone to come along and motivate them to be the kind of person they wish they could be. The problem is that no one is coming to rescue. जूही बड़ी खुश हुई है पढ़ के सुन के. Let's hear it from Juhi.
खुश हुई हूँ बिकॉज ये मैंने रिसेंटली भी सुना है एंड दिस इज समथिंग लाइक व्हेन वी आर फेसिंग चैलेंजेस तो हमको ऐसे लगता है कि काश कोई ऐसा आ जाए और हमको मींस दैट पर्सन हेल्प अस ओवरकम दैट चैलेंज, चाहे वो कोचिंग हो या
Hmm.
जो भी हो. तो ऐसे लगता है वी वेट फॉर एंजल टू कम एंड गाइड अस. But वो है कि there is no one going to come to you to help you. It's only you who can help yourself.
Absolutely wonderful. These people are waiting for the bus on the street where no buses pass. As a result, if they don't take charge of their lives and put the pressure on themselves, they can end up waiting forever. And that is what most people do. आई कीप ऑन सेइंग कि जहां से प्यार नहीं मिल रहा है उस नलके के नीचे हाथ रख के बैठे हो, जहां पे झरना बह रहा है वहां से पानी ले नहीं रहे हो, तो हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू वर्क? जहां पे बस आ ही नहीं रही है वहां पे वेट करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क एट ऑल. You have to move yourself to get to rescue yourself. Only about 2% of people can work entirely without supervision. We call these people leaders. This is the kind of person who you are meant to be and which you may be if you decide to. How many of us keep on asking for accountability partner? क्यों? Maybe we are not ready to take full responsibility of ourselves. Maybe हम हमेशा ये सीख करते रहते कोई मेरे को पुश करता रहेगा और मैं चलती जाऊंगी चलती जाऊंगी चलती जाऊंगी एंड मैं एक दिन अपने गोल पे पहुंच ही जाऊंगी. There are only 2% people out there who are the leaders, who help people achieve their goals, who supervise people. And we can be that if we wish to be it. To reach your full potential, you must form the habit of putting the pressure on yourself and not waiting for someone else to come along and do it for you. You must choose your own frogs and then make yourself eat them in their order of importance. अगर आपको कोई बोल दे कि करेले का जूस आपके लिए इज एब्सोल्युटली इम्पोर्टेंट, किसी को जबरदस्ती नाक पकड़ के आपके लिए मम्मी नहीं आने वाली है. नाउ यू ऑल आर मदर्स, मदर इन लॉ इन द रूम. हर किसी को अपना करेले का जूस भी खुद बनाना पड़ेगा और पीना भी खुद ही पड़ेगा. I still remember when I was young and I had not gotten married, I called my mom once and I told her कि मैं सुबह उठ गई हूँ and my brother has not made coffee for me as of now. I used to drink as soon as I would wake up. मुझे प्यास लगती थी दूध की कि मुझे तो कोल्ड कॉफी पीनी है. एंड मैं रो रो के अपनी मम्मी को बोल रही हूँ मुझको ना कोल्ड कॉफी नहीं बना के दी बॉबी ने आज. एंड माई मॉम आंसर्ड बैक, 6 महीने में तेरी शादी है, इज ही गोइंग टू कम टू योर होम टू मेक अ कोल्ड कॉफी फॉर यू? गेट अप, मेक इट एंड ड्रिंक इट. बिकॉज आई हैड वर्किंग पेरेंट्स. तो मम्मी तो वैसे ही नहीं थी घर पे. छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल है बट वी गेट द थॉट राइट. अगर मुझको सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करना है, nobody is going to come to tell me कि करिश्मा this is the idea that you can go through, that is the idea that you can put on the social media. Who will have to do the work? I will have to take 100% responsibility for my own things. Lead the field. See yourself as a role model for others. Raise the bar on yourself. The standards you set for your own work and behavior should be higher than anyone else you could set for you. अगर आपके हस्बैंड बोल रहे हैं आपको कि तेरे बस का नहीं है, what will you do? Set your standards a little more higher. तुमको करके दिखाती हूँ. Wait for me. Watch me. Each time you see anybody pulling you down, what do you need to do? Mummy ne डांटा, papa ne डांटा. What are you going to do? I am not this person that you're talking about. I am here. Make it a game with yourself to start a little earlier, work a little harder, and stay a little later. Always look for ways to go the extra mile to do more than you are paid for. This is a very good example of how this book reading club has started. This book reading club started only once in a day. It started with 4:30 p.m. Then people said that it is their working hours, so I shifted that 4:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. 10 p.m. पे किया तो some people said 10 p.m. is too late. I need to be there at 4:30 p.m. What did I do? I raised my own bar. जाओ, दोनों टाइम करूंगी. सुबह 4:30 भी करूंगी, रात को 10 बजे भी करूंगी. अब आओ. I am there. Are you ready to take that action for yourself? उसके बाद somebody said कि करिश्मा, I don't want to waste so much of my time reading the book. I only want the discussion to be happening in the group. कि क्या पढ़ा है, चैप्टर में क्या है, let's share only the perspectives. अभी मैं क्या करती? I started the weekend club as well. आ जाओ. What did I do? I raised my bar every time I had somebody telling me I can't do it because of this. लो, अब क्या है बताओ? What is it for you? How are you raising your bar? I want to know. Let's hear it from you, Juhi.
So yes, I am still not coming out of my comfort zone, I think. Steps जो थोड़े टाइम से नहीं कर रही हूँ is waking up early, because if I wake up early, I complete all my tasks. This is one thing that I want to overcome. क्योंकि मुझे जो morning time is a good part for learning and implementing things, that is missing, and I will overcome that definitely. और उसके अलावा that I need to focus more on what I want to achieve. I think that it is that 100%. It is not 100%. So I want to give it 100% focus, like we discussed yesterday. So that focus part is really missing, I think. Yeah.
Let's deal and work on your waking up early right now. What will it take for
Yes.
you to get up early?
I get up early, मतलब 5:45 I get up. मैं बच्चों को स्कूल भेज के फिर सो जाती हूँ.
What will
So
it take
that जो मैं
for you to stay up
yes,
at that time?
sleeping early.
Okay. Or do you have a plan? What do you need to do at that time?
Actually, like I said, initially it was very easy for me, but since last few months, I mean, I'm not able to do it. मेरी body support नहीं करती है, because मुझे से लगता है कि it needs rest. वरना मैं sometimes I get migraine issues. Sometimes my body slow down, मतलब एकदम slow down हो जाती है if I don't sleep well. तो उसके अलावा भी माइग्रेन के फ्रीक्वेंट जो होता है लो बीपी, तो इसलिए मैं सोचती हूँ कि इंस्टेड ऑफ सफरिंग 10 थिंग्स फॉर नॉट स्लीपिंग आई शुड स्लीप वेल। तो उसमें थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो रहा है। So yeah, I know I only have to sort out things. We'll do it.
What we are talking about is how are you going to put pressure on yourself?
So yes, if I want to grow, I need to cut that sleep, that extra. It is not extra sleep, in fact, but that I need to cut that part.
Do you know
To
90% people, even if they wake up early, or that span that you're talking about कि अब मैं सो जाती हूँ, why do you sleep? The reason 90% people say is that they don't know उठ तो गए अब करे क्या.
no,
If that portion is clear, you
yes,
would
it's clear.
know it's clear. Then why
Yes,
is it that you don't want to do it? Is your why clear कि मुझको वो काम करना क्यों है?
yes,
Then
it's
what is it that is stopping you from doing that? वो
uh,
आपके अंदर उस चीज का वो नहीं है, व्हाट डू यू कॉल, कन्विक्शन नहीं है. You want to do it, you have to do it. बट अगर सो yesterday only I was talking about कि अगर मुझे पता है कि मेरे को ये बुक रीडिंग क्लब 2 बजे होस्ट करना है, मुझे भूख नहीं लगेगी, मेरे को प्यास नहीं लगेगी, मेरे को कोई पेन पेंसिल की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे पानी की बोतल यहाँ पे पड़ी है या नहीं पड़ी है, डजेंट मैटर. एम आई आस्किंग यू रुको रुको मुझे पानी पीने दो? नो. वाई? बिकॉज आई हैव कन्विक्शन इन इट कि नो मैटर वॉट आई गो इन टू द फ्लो स्टेट so that I forget about anything else. अगर मेरे को वॉशरूम भी जाना होगा ना, मे बी मेरे को वो भी नहीं पता चलेगा कि नहीं यार अभी कुछ नहीं, दिस इज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई नीड टू बी देयर, दिस इज द ओनली प्लेस दैट आई नीड टू बी देयर. And it happens with each one of us. It is not that we do not understand what it is. It is not हम अपने बच्चे को प्यार कर रहे हो तो हमारा बच्चा बीमार हो जाए, उसको सुलाना हो, तो डू वी कीप ऑन शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम हेयर एंड देयर, रुक अभी तू रुक, रो रहा है रोता रहा है, मेरे को पानी पीने जाना है, 1 मिनट में सुसु करके आती हूँ. नो. You hold your child close to you, you keep on caressing your child till your child goes off to sleep. Where does that power come from? Check on yourself. Let's hear from Davinder ji.
Yeah, to raise our energy, like what's my perspective is like take small actions, plan it like beforehand, and you should mention the time at what time what to be done. Like my what is my perspective daily? What I do, I make a to-do list in the evening. What is to be done next day, and in front of that, I write the time,
Yes,
and whatever is not completed I try to do it next day in the beforehand.
absolutely.
Yeah,
Wonderful, wonderful. That is exactly what I do as well.
thank you.
And what is that thing that you need to do a little extra mile जिसको अपने आप को push करना है? I think you are already doing since you are in the platinum. Yet let's hear it from you.
uh like at times I don't feel like, but I push myself. I take a little action, small action towards it, so that I'm in a flow. I don't lose the path.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Let's hear it from you, Renu.
Hi everyone. Hi Karishma. Mm, the time I entered, I had to hear that again. That day also you said कि नल का गलत है कहाँ बैठी हो तुम वही चीज is hindering my growth actually. I'm distressing myself inside the head. Means I'm not changing my perspective, being very egoistic and no, that should be this only. That is hindering my growth in every aspect of my life, uh, whether it is relationship, career, or at home, everything. So I got my answer by entering, and I just smiled when you were saying that again.
What is the
कि ba-
answer? Let's hear the answer. आज answer भी
yeah,
बताओ.
yes, I have to manage my emotions first. How will I do that? You also said कि start writing. I was not doing that, Karishma. I was not. So I have to do it from today only. And the same, Davinder ji said, to do list. I have to start that also. And journaling, you said, ki write your everything what is going on in your mind, write it down, jot it down, and the maybe that way you will release your things. Do you want to make someone hear that? Don't do that. Don't waste your energy on that. Just write it down on your on the paper, because nobody cares about that, right? Because everyone is doing their what they have to do, but I am not doing what I have to do. I'm wasting my time, energy, my feelings, my emotions, my love, support, everything to wrong people.
एक और काम बताती हूँ.
Anji, please, I need it.
When you know this happened and I reacted this way, I did this. Now you have to reverse the story as well. Right? Next time जब ये चीज होगी, what is it that I'm going to do? What is higher version of Renu going to do when this happens again?
Yes, since yesterday I changed the response,
Hmm.
because people will come and trigger you. What not? That I saw. By reacting in a worst way, you keep quiet, do something uh, physically. That time I did that time, and the scene totally changed that time. And my response was also very respectful, that I liked about myself. Ki Renu, good. This is the way you should go ahead in life. I have to practice that every day, because people will come and trigger you.
Don't say I have to practice that. You're going to manifest everyday fights in your home, ma'am. क्या बात कर दी रेणु जी. Oh my God. The manifestation
Because
queen is saying
nahi,
I have to practice it. वाह, क्या बात है.
nahi, because this happens actually. So I have to see. If you don't want that triggers, you have to practice that. No, right? Because people won't stop. I'm seeing since 21 years. They going on, going on, going on. I'm ranting, ranting. No use. Now I have to put stop to me. Today I felt that I'm going through a menopause.
When your inner world shifts, your outer world automatically shifts.
Yes, yes. Very true. That also I saw yesterday. Ki I changed inside, and the things, मतलब मतलब atmosphere खराब नहीं हुआ. All because of my not reacting in a bad way.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Let's
Same goes with everything. Yes. In the field. Yes. Career हो, कुछ भी
I
हो.
see Anjana has gone somewhere. Let's hear it from Amrita. Amrita, can you unmute yourself, show us your beautiful smiling face and share with us कि किस चीज में वो extra push अपने आप को खुद को करना है. A little harder that you need to go. अमृता भी कहीं चली गई लगता है.
Actually, I was joined late.
Yes.
That's why.
Okay, so you do not have the context.
No, no, no.
आगे पूछते हैं. Let's hear it from Anjana. Anjana ji, what is that you need to do a little harder? What is it that you need to put your pressure on yourself for? Can you unmute yourself? Yes. I can't hear you. Can everybody hear her?
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yeah, because I'm doing for the first time from the computer the Zoom meeting. अभी तक मैंने शुरू नहीं किया था, तो this is my first day for with the book reading and first day in computer अकेले खुद से Zoom पे connect हुई हूँ. So
Amazing.
I have done. I'm connected in both ways with the phone also and with the
Wonderful. So
computer
proud of you.
also. So voice is not going there. Therefore, I have unmuted through the phone. So I was ऐसा कि जूही का जो कंसर्न था ना, ये मॉर्निंग में जो उठ जाते हैं एंड शी अगेन स्लीप्स आफ्टर सेंडिंग हर चिल्ड्रन. This was my regular practice when I used to send my children, and now when I am into the Brahma Kumaris, so I wake up early at 3:30 or within 4. But this is my very bad habit, and I want to leave, and I don't want to leave also. I'm so much addicted to it because this fight is going since long, and I have not overcome it till now. Because what attracts me is the bed, and after the Amrit Vela meditation which we do, and that also because of the mosquitoes and all those bahanas and all those things कि पैर लटका कर चेयर पे बैठना होगा. So I wish I do on the chair also so many times, है ना. So अब चेयर पे चेयर को छोड़कर अगर बेड पे करेंगे तो what will happen? Bed will surely pull me.
नहीं, थोड़ी देर बाद ऐसे स्लाइड होके अंदर सो जाओगे.
That happens and winters पे तो पैर पे रजाई भी रहती है.
Yes.
So this thing happens and then I'll see कि अभी तो अलार्म मेरा तो कंटिन्यूअस बजता रहेगा ना, 3:30 फिर 4 फिर 5. सो अब 6 बजे तो मेरे को बेड छोड़ना है, अगर मेरे को 7 बजे पहुंचना है तो देन आई थिंक कि अरे अभी आधा घंटा है. एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड राइटिंग ऑल्सो देयर आई डू, आई कीप द डायरी एंड कॉपी. रात को भी लिखती हूँ एंड मॉर्निंग में दैट ऑल्सो आई विल डू. देन आई से अरे 15 मिनट एक छोटा सा नैप ले लेते हैं, and this will give me मतलब a bank. तो at times I miss my class also. At times I go late in the class. This is the thing what is happening inside me. Today also I missed my class. 6 बजे मैं उठी हुई हूँ. मैं अपने गॉड को बोल रही हूँ कि तुम क्या बोलते हो, आज मेरे को रेस्ट करना चाहिए ना, मेरा बॉडी आज रेस्ट ही मांग रहा है ना. सोचो इतना एक्सक्यूज लिए. एंड देन आई वेंट टू स्लीप. So what happens is I feel myself कि जब मैं वहां जाती हूँ क्लास में, and because they expect me to read the Murli there, and they appreciate my reading, still I am missing my opportunity. And there also the sister who is elder to me, she waits and she says कि आप अपना इस आदत को थोड़ा सा चेंज करो, थोड़ा सा मतलब चेष्टा करके थोड़ा अर्ली आओ, अदरवाइज another sister goes to read it. So you please come a little early. But I told her कि मेरा ये वाला हैबिट अभी तक छूट नहीं रहा है, ये छूटे तब हो. तो this habit, if I conquer this habit now, and I say also कि मेरा ये आलस वाला आदत एक बार छूट जाए तो.
Okay, so you need to be there at 7 a.m., right?
Yes, 7 a.m. I have to start. मतलब before 7 I should be there. Means 5 minutes or 10 minutes early.
So instead of putting alarm 3 बजे से ना, put only 2 alarms. 6 बजे का, 6:15 का. उसके बाद जब नहीं बजेगा ना, स्ट्रेस होके अपने आप उठेगी. You will. So the problem is your brain is telling you थोड़ी देर बाद फिर से अलार्म बजने वाला है, थोड़ी देर बाद फिर से अलार्म बजने वाला है, मैं उठी जाऊंगी.
हाँ ये this happens with me.
एंड देन यू से कि अरे अब तो ओ शिट अलार्म ही नहीं बजा, अब मेरी तो लेट हो गई.
This happens.
तो चलो चलो कोई बात नहीं, लेट हो गया, मैं लेट ही चली जाती हूँ, पर चलती हूँ. बट इफ इट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू,
Yes.
you have to train your mind that if this does not happen, so is it that you stop breathing अगर breathe करने में मेहनत लग रही है? No. खाना बनाने में काम करना पड़ता है, yet you cook food and eat. if Murli is that important to you, make it that important ना, कि अगर आज मैंने मुरली नहीं पढ़ी वहां जाके, आज सारा दिन अंजना को खाना नहीं मिलने वाला है. Set a
Okay.
consequence for yourself. In yesterday's session, Muskan was there, and she was procrastinating on making one of her presentations. I asked her, and I will ask you as well. If I give you 10,000 rupees for going and reading the Murli, will you do that? Will you do it?
Yes. Yes.
Ah, थोड़ा सा तेज की बोलो. Yes, I will do it.
Yes. Yes, I'll do it.
What if I tell you that if you do not go and read the Murli tomorrow, you have to pay me 10,000 rupees?
Then I'll do more rapidly, more with attention and with more.
Exactly. So अभी कल अगर आप सुबह जाके मुरली नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, know that you are transferring 10,000 rupees in Karishma's account.
Okay, this is nice.
I hope you go. I don't want that 10,000 rupees. I want to see you going there and reading the Murli. Can we do that?
Yes.
Can we do that?
Yes.
Can we do that?
Yes. We can do that.
You can do that, Nee. I will do it no matter what.
I will do no matter what.
Amazing. Let's go ahead.
Thank you so much, Karishma.
Let's go ahead. Your self-esteem, the core of your personality.
करिश्मा ये स्क्रीन बड़ा हो जाएगा क्या?
Which screen? No, you can zoom it.
Book.
You can zoom it.
Okay, but then I don't know because ये touch screen नहीं है. Okay.
Okay. Your self-esteem, the core of your personality, has been defined by the psychologist Nathaniel Branton as your repetition with yourself. When you commit to do something and you do it, your respect for yourself rises. When you commit to do something and you do not do it, अपनी आंखों के साथ आंखें मिला के आप बात नहीं कर सकते हो. You start losing the confidence. Now Anjana has promised me that she is going tomorrow. She has committed to it. I'm watching you. You build up or pull down your reputation with yourself with everything you do or fail to do. The good news is that you feel better about yourself whenever you push yourself to do your best. You increase your own self-esteem whenever you go beyond where the average person would normally quit. We all have seen that happening in our lives. We know our true potential is, हम अभी यहाँ पर हैं, and our true potential is way up. But the only problem is कि उसको explore ही नहीं कर रहे हैं हम. Whatever problems you are telling now, you all have the capability to conquer those problems. But the only problem is कि खुद ही को नहीं पता कि yes, I can do it. And I will do it no matter what. वो conviction चाहिए हर काम करने के लिए. And this is a very beautiful concept which calls create imaginary deadlines. One of the best ways for you to overcome procrastination is by working as though you only had one day to get your most important job done before you left a month or went on vacation. This is what was told to Komal yesterday. 30th is not your deadline to submit your form. It's tonight. Which form? कोमल ने एक फॉर्म भरना था ना. हेलो मुस्कान, हाउ आर यू?
I'm feeling happy. Yesterday I completed my webinar script. The most important thing was you have given me accountability also. दोपहर को मैसेज, मुस्कान कुछ हेल्प चाहिए क्या, रात को मैसेज हो गया क्या. It was so powerful. And you know, in between when I was थिंकिंग जब मैं चली गई यहाँ से, आई वॉज मेकिंग इट एज लाइक क्या मुसीबत ले ली मैंने।
आज वो
But
मुसीबत अंजना पर आ चुकी है, आज वो मुसीबत अंजना पर जा चुकी है। I will push you and I will make you think,
Thank you so
make
much.
you work towards your success no matter what.
बट अभी भी ड्रीम ही लग रहा है कि सच्ची में पूरा हो गया वो।
Congratulations.
बिकॉज इतना टाइम डिले किया था, इतने टाइम से डिले किया था, यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा। टुडे व्हेन आई वाज सीइंग माय सेल्फ इन वॉशरूम व्हाइल आई वाज ब्रशिंग द टीथ, आई वाज टेलिंग माय सेल्फ मुस्कान सच्ची में हो गया है, हो गया है।
Wonderful. God bless you. God bless you. Imagine each day that you have just received an emergency message and that you will have to leave town tomorrow for a month. If you had to leave town for a month, what would you absolutely make sure that you have got done before you left? Whatever your answer is, go to work on that task right now. ये हर रोज बेचारी मुस्कान आती है, मैं इसको भगा देती हूँ। जाओ मुस्कान काम करके आओ। What do we have in the message? Congratulations, Muskan.
थैंक यू सो मच अंजना जी, थैंक यू।
तो अगर अब आप सोच लो, कल के बाद टाइम नहीं मिलने वाला है, जो काम निपटाना है कल सुबह 5 बजे फ्लाइट में बैठ के जा रहे हो ऑन द वेकेशन। आज जो जो काम निपटाना है निपटा लेना भाई, फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू। एंड जूही कहाँ गई? जूही, फ्लाइट पकड़नी है, यू कैंट गो बैक टू स्लीप। ओके।
Done.
Another way to put pressure on yourself is to imagine that you just received all expenses paid, 1 week vacation in a beautiful resort as a prize. But you will have to leave tomorrow morning on a vacation, or it will be given to someone else. What would you be determined to get finished before you left so that you could take that vacation? Whatever it is, start on the job immediately. How beautiful is that? फ्री की वेकेशन मिल रही है, यूरोप टूर मिल रहा है, कल सुबह 5 बजे निकलना है। अब उससे पहले मेरे 5-6 काम हैं जो जरूरी करने हैं, मे बी स्केड्यूलिंग ऑल द पोस्ट। लेट्स डू इट, नहीं तो किसी और को मिल जाएगा, इट्स ओके, इट विल go on a pass. Successful people continually put the pressure on themselves to perform at high levels. Unsuccessful people have to be instructed and supervised and pressured by others. I don't say any person in this room is an unsuccessful person. I know you all have the capability to do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. थोड़ी सी बस बफिंग की जरूरत है। डायमंड भी निकल चुका है, उसको वो थोड़ी सी पॉलिशिंग लास्ट की रह जाती है ना। आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली प्रॉब्लम दैट नीड्स टू बी सॉल्व्ड। टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर लाइफ। By putting the pressure on yourself, you accomplish more and better tasks faster than ever before. You become a high performance, high achieving personality. You feel terrific about yourself, and bit by bit, you build up the habit of rapid task completion that then goes on to serve you all days in your life. How there was a deadline for Muskan and she accomplished her task, which she was procrastinating on for so long. अपने साथ जब आप सेट कर लेते हो ना डेडलाइन कि करिश्मा, so what happens जब आप एक मास्टर क्लास अनाउंस कर देते हो तब कि चलो 9th February I have a master class, 8th तक आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर सकते हो, 9th मॉर्निंग तक कर सकते हो, पर जो 4 बजे मास्टर क्लास लेनी है ना, 4 बजे तक प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट नहीं कर सकते हो। देन वॉट एवर इट विल टेक, you will not cook, you will not look at your kids, you will not look at your husband, and you will do the work. So instead of giving yourself that big a deadline, give it every single day for whatever you write. You are not allowed to hit the bed before you complete your tasks. for the day. Any shares? Anybody wants to share anything? Any questions? Muskan, do you have anything to share?
Um, ये वाला जो पॉइंट था ना सक्सेसफुल पीपल वाला, बिकॉज राइट नाउ वी लाइक training our mind for the success mindset, so that kind of hit me hard कि कि successful people are the one who are just in their highest of energies and they are kind of doing it, but जो unsuccessful people हैं they are kind of pressure में कर रहे हैं. So I feel यहाँ पर जो concept आ रहा है that is first of all doing what we love to do, ताकि वो एक गेम लगे.
So the
मेहनत
thing is कि अगर when you do what you love to do, it is never a pressure. It is aligning with your core values. और अगर आपका गोल ऐसा होगा ना जो आपके अलाइन नहीं कर रहा है कोर वैल्यूज के साथ, दैट इज व्हेन यू विल फील द प्रेशर. दैट इज व्हेन यू विल फील कि मुश्किल क्यों लग रहा है, क्यों मैं प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रही हूँ, क्यों रेजिस्टेंसेस आ रहे हैं. दैट ऑल हैपेंस व्हेन इट्स नॉट aligned with your core values. तो पहले अपनी core value समझो, उसके बाद अपना गोल डिसाइड करो. डोंट गो द अदर वे राउंड कि मैंने गोल डिसाइड कर लिया, अब मेरे को वैसा बंदा बनना ही पड़ेगा टू अचीव दैट. यस, सॉरी.
So that was something which kind of hit me in hard in my heart also. जैसे कहते हैं तीर लगाया.
कांटा लगा, वो भी दिल पे. Wonderful. Let's hear it from who wants to say. Raise your hand. कोई भी नहीं, चलो अंजना जी से सुनते हैं.
I have nothing to
रुको
say now.
दविंदर जी रुको, चलो आप अपना शेयर देते हुए जाओ.
Yeah. Yeah, most of the time I don't try to procrastinate, but if at times I have to do, I write it in some of the papers and I make it happen one or the other day. This I make it happen. Like as you are a KZU in KZU community, day before yesterday, Shruti had shared a video and I didn't go through it. Yesterday by 12 o'clock night, I was watching that. So I
Wow.
make it a point to do it at any cost.
Wow, that's amazing. That's powerful. Wonderful.
Yeah, thank you. So I want to leave. I have to go somewhere.
Okay. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's hear it from Anjana ji. कुछ नहीं है बोलने को, she was saying.
I don't have anything Abhi to say.
I want to share something कि मेरी वैल्यू हमेशा से I give more priority to family. ठीक है, in all the terms like we are supposed to ask the question कि family पहले कि this, I end up choosing family. तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि that is that resistance is coming from there, and the things are created in such a way that I choose to choose family. तो इसमें मुझे लगता है there is nothing wrong if we give preference to family because that is a core belief, but कहीं ना कहीं it is holding you back to do the things that you want to do for yourself.
And what does career mean to you?
Career means it is a happiness. The thing that I want to do, like following my passion, is a career, and also it includes to be a financially independent.
If you want to keep your family happy, do you need to be happy?
Yes.
What brings happiness to you?
uh, this brings me happiness, but कहीं ना कहीं पता है कि बच्चों को ऐसे लगता है यू आर अटेंडिंग क्लासेस ऑल द टाइम, मतलब वो ओवर द पीरियड सुनना ही पड़ता है
I
that
understand.
you don't have enough time.
I understand that. The thing is, you have to marry them. So, I love my family, and to give my family the maximum potential of love that I can give, I need to take care of my happiness. And my happiness lies in my career building. So, what happens is, Juhi will look out for the places where she can do things that align with this purpose now. For me, family comes first as well. And when I think of it, so what do I do? When I told in one of the sessions that I cannot do my session at 3 p.m. या फिर 4 p.m. because that is the time when my kids come and I want to give my time to them. What was I doing? Aligning my timings as per my own value system. Komal came to me and she said कि I thought about it all day long. When Karishma has set boundaries कि मेरे बच्चे जब आएंगे I need to be with them, why is it that I can't build those boundaries? Why is it that I am sitting in a space of FOMO कि यार मेरा सेशन मिस हो जाएगा, इसने क्या बोल दिया, मेरा मिस हो जाएगा? That does not happen there. Then when you create your own boundaries, you will know कि मेरे बच्चे अगर 2 बजे स्कूल से आ रहे हैं, मैं जो अटेंड कर रही हूँ या 1 बजे से पहले कर रही हूँ या 2:30 बजे के बाद कर रही हूँ. मेरा ये टाइम मेरे बच्चों का है. So I want you to write down what are the non-negotiable timings that you need to spend with your family first. And then schedule your time as per the timings that you have allotted to your family. उसके आसपास का जो टाइम बचता है ना, उसको make your second value system. That is your joy. Try
Okay.
that and let's see how does that work.
Okay.
All right, let's hear it from Renu. रेनू का फोन क्यों कैमरा ऑफ हो गया? शी इज डूइंग समथिंग एल्स. बाद में बात करेंगी. लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम अमृता.
यस, एक्चुअली नॉन निगोशिएबल टाइमिंग मेरे लिए मेरा भी ऐसे बाउंड्री ठीक से नहीं है, इसलिए आई फॉल सिक मेनी टाइम्स. ओके, समटाइम्स आई ओवरवर्क, sometimes I feel guilty and shame, and when I want to attend any session, same story, you are not looking at the family and all. So I love your words, though if I do my passion work, then I can give the best to my family actually. So I have to first understand this, why I like this and love this, and second I have to tell the person in front of me that from this I can get the energy and all. If you don't allow me and if you don't actually support me, then I cannot give the happiness to you. Giving में blockage आ जाएगा. तो ये बहुत अच्छा है मेरे लिए. Thank you for this clarity. Actually, we don't communicate in the right way. If we make them understand, they will understand. Just they have also their priority.
अमृता,
Yes, thank
आपको
you.
ये बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी अपनी फैमिली को. जब आप उनको पूरा प्यार दे रहे होगे ना, जब आप
अच्छा.
उनको पूरा उनका टाइम दे रहे होगे,
हाँ.
दे विल नॉट चेक ऑन यू कि आप क्या
हाँ.
कर रहे हो बाकी टाइम. माय हस्बैंड नेवर चेक्स ऑन मी कि भैया 1 बजे के बाद क्या कर रही है, उसके बाद 7 बजे से पहले क्या कर रही है. ही डज नॉट चेक ऑन मी. क्या कर रही है, जो मर्जी कर, आई डोंट केयर. ही डज नॉट केयर. 10 बजे के बाद, रात को 10 से
Okay.
11 मेरा जो सेशन होता है, आई एम एबल टू डू दैट ओनली बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग
हाँ.
इनफ टाइम टू माय हस्बैंड एंड माय किड्स.
Yes.
Whenever you are with your family, give 100% attention to them. Don't scroll your
Yes.
phone while sitting with your family members. That is not the right way of giving time to them. Be with them,
Yes.
engage with them. Or
Yes, actually, these things happen now. We feel that miss something will be missed away. मोबाइल चेक नहीं किया, कोई सेशन छूट गया, ऐसे ही होता है. और लोग तो सब सेशन में हैं, मैं तो नहीं हूँ. All these things happening. And for that reason ना ये भी नहीं होता, वो भी नहीं होता. सेशन भी अच्छी तरह से नहीं होता. और जो होता है कि फैमिली का जो बॉन्डिंग है वो भी अच्छी तरह से नहीं हो पाता है.
एब्सोल्युटली, वो सब यही कहेंगे ना कि यार कान में तो अपना वो ईयरफोन लगा के सुन तो वो रही है, पता नहीं बैठी है यहाँ पे, मुझे सुन भी रही है कि नहीं सुन रही है. एवरीबडी वांट्स अटेंशन, एवरीबडी
Yes.
वांट्स लव, रिस्पेक्ट, योर टाइम. टाइम इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग राइट नाउ जो आप किसी को दे सकते हो,
Yes.
राइट? जल्दी
I
से.
was thinking,
Thank you.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो.
that this book is really powerful.
Absolutely powerful. And you all coming in this room now make it even more powerful with the questions, with the discussion that happens here. It makes it even better.
And I don't know what magic is happening. Some magic is happening from last 3-4 days in book reading club.
I see that as well. That as well. It's the
Some
energy of the book.
different energy, yeah. Some different energy is coming. And that energy is kind of running inside my system in a very different way. It is something is expanding inside me when I'm coming here. Naturally, just by being here.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. Before the chapter ends, as Brian Tracy always gives us 2 points to reflect on, let's read what is it for today. Point number 1 says, set deadlines and sub-deadlines on every task and activity. Create your own forcing system. Raise the bar on yourself and don't let yourself off the hook. Once you have set yourself a deadline, stick to it. Even try to beat it. कल सुबह का सेशन है, मैंने आज रात तक तैयारी करके ही सोना है, no matter what. Point number 2 says, write out every step of a major job or project before you begin. Determine how many minutes and hours you will require to complete each phase. Then race against your own clock. Beat your own deadlines. Make it a game and resolve to win. And इसके बाद एक और काम करना, celebrate it. Because that is something that is going to give you even bigger motivation. Yes, I did it. So in the previous chapters and today as well, I think Davinder ji said, मैं अपनी टू डू लिस्ट लिखती हूँ, उसके साथ मैं टाइम भी लिखती हूँ कि मेरे को इतने बजे से इतने बजे के बीच में ये करना है, इतने बजे मेरे को ये काम करना है. इसके अगला स्टेप ही हैज टोल्ड कि उसका टाइम फ्रेम भी दे दो, सो दैट यू नाउ आर कंपीटिंग विद योर ओन टाइम फ्रेम. मैंने 4 से 5 के बीच में ये करना है, मुझको 4 से 5 नहीं, 1 घंटा नहीं लगाना है, मेरे को 45 मिनट्स में, मेरे को 55 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट करना है ये काम, बट नॉट 60 मिनट्स. That will push you at another level. That will give another kind of energy within your own system. And you will see कि एक अलग ही किस्म की एनर्जी आपके अंदर आ गई. Right? All right, with that, we will close today's session. And I'm looking forward to hear from Anjana ji tomorrow morning if she has reached to read the Murli or not, or else she's transferring 10,000 rupees in my account. Wow. But I don't want that money. I want her to be going to the session and reading the, Murli. We
No,
have
I was thinking I will transfer 10,000 if my webinar script will not be ready. यही डर था, इसी वजह से हो गया. I want to tell you another thing. Yesterday, when I was in book reading club at the same time, she asked me that what is the one thing which is the most difficult for me, and I am procrastinating it. I said that webinar script. She said me, okay, Muskan, you're transferring 10,000 rupees in my bank account if the script is not ready. और कल ही मैंने कहा मैं अभी जाऊं बनाने. She said you are having इतनी excitement. Yes, leave the book reading club and work on the webinar script. और रात को 11 बज के कुछ मिनट में मैंने अपने ग्रुप में पोस्ट किया webinar launch ऐसे करके. And at that time also she kind of appreciated me. दोपहर को भी also she asked me कि कुछ help चाहिए क्या. So powerful, so powerful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless you all. Stay in the high energy. Stay positive. Keep motivated. Keep yourself motivated for your own goals and do the work. See you all tomorrow at the same time. That is 2 p.m. Bye-bye.